Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Notes in FL Studio. Ghost Notes are a fantastic tool for music production, allowing you to see notes from other patterns directly within your current piano roll. This visual guide helps you build complex arrangements and ensures your melodies and harmonies fit together perfectly. It's like having a transparent overlay of your other musical ideas, making composition much more intuitive and efficient. Enabling Ghost Notes is super straightforward. First, open the piano roll for the instrument you're currently working on. Look for the Helpers menu at the top of the piano roll window. Simply click on Ghost Notes within that menu, and you'll instantly see the faint outlines of notes from other patterns. This quick toggle makes it easy to switch the view on and off as needed during your creative process. Once activated, Ghost Notes become an invaluable aid for arrangement. You can use them to perfectly align your bass line with your kick drum, ensuring a tight groove. They also make it simple to build harmonies by visually referencing your existing chords. Furthermore, developing intricate counter melodies becomes much easier when you can see the main melody structure right there in the background. It truly streamlines your workflow. To get the most out of Ghost Notes, consider a few pro tips. You can adjust their opacity in the piano roll settings to make them more or less prominent, depending on your preference. Also, assigning different colors to various patterns can help you distinguish between multiple Ghost Note layers. Combining this feature with other piano roll tools, like the Snap to Grid function, will significantly boost your production speed and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.